What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a much needed updated vanity tour. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the most efficient way I found to store my makeup, keep things in sight so I remember to utilize them, and then switch them out as needed. If you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to be a part of the fam. Alright, loves, so front and center is a Target limited edition white and rose gold clip-on lamp. I got this I think like 2 years ago. It was on clearance and I placed it here because it shines light down on the vanity table. So this top shelf is from IKEA, and here I just like to display inspirational quotes, boxes with really pretty packaging, or just items that are really pretty and just have meaning to them. We of course needed to add a picture frame with the fam. A hand sanitizer that looks like a bride from my friend Lizzie. What would Lizzie do? Bridal shower. This empty candle jar, which I could not throw away because it was just so cute. A Hello Kitty Cafe water bottle, Beats pill, and this IT Cosmetics travel makeup case. This vanity table is from IKEA. It's called the Mom Dressing Table. The thing I love most about it is that it has a glass top, so it's very easy to clean. I'm one who definitely needs to see things in order to remember to utilize them. This is the most efficient way I found to display all the items and remember to try out these items weekly. So this gold and glass container is from TJmaxx. I love like the lips and the eyebrows and lash design on them. I just place all the items that I want to test out in this container. These two drawers are from the Muji store. I keep more items that I need to test out. Next to that are my skincare items, which are super important, so I display them on top of the vanity table so that I remember to use them daily. Right in the center is this beautiful marble and gold mirror. I always felt like the vanity table was lacking something, and this was the piece. It's from Target. The items I'm testing out for the week, I normally place them in this little tray area beneath the mirror. It reminds me to grab these items, test them out, and then I switch it out weekly. Beside the mirror are brush holders. These are from BH Cosmetics. They're marble with rose gold accents. I like these because they have the marble print. They're durable, they're sturdy, and they hold most of my brushes. The rest of the other brushes, I just place them in this ceramic mug. Now behind that is another container. On the very top, I just place the setting sprays and my small perfume collection. And then I have this lipstick holder which contains lipsticks that I know are expired, but I just couldn't bear to throw them away because the packaging is rose gold. I just couldn't part ways with them. I store the rest of my lip products in these two sets of 5-drawer clear acrylic storage containers, which are from the Muji store. I really like these because I've had them for a couple of years and I noticed that the acrylic hasn't turned yellow over the years, so you know it's a good quality drawer. So in here you'll find liquid lipsticks, lip glosses, lipsticks, and lip liners. Finally see everything because I decluttered a ton of my lip products a couple of weeks ago. The best part is that I have one drawer which is completely empty. The chair I use both for my vanity table and my desk is from HomeGoods. It's this white swivel chair which is super comfortable. It's very similar to the one from Z Gallery. Now let's move to the middle drawer, which is inside the Mom Dressing Table. This is the area where I just place my everyday items, my cellar water, any type of makeup remover. I even have this Hello Kitty mirror which I got a couple years ago and I spray painted it gold. Eyelash curlers, any eyebrow products, any products that I'm currently using, also my eyeliner pencils, just odds and ends, and also makeup that I like to switch out daily. I keep everything here in this drawer, so these are kind of like my favorite items. At the very end are hair ties, bobby pins, and any hair accessories. Underneath the vanity table, this is where I store my lighted makeup mirror. I did a whole review on this mirror, which I'm also going to link in the card area. I still love to use it, but I just don't like to display it on top of my vanity table. Over to the left of the mirror are 4 clear storage drawers, which are also from the Container Store. I used to have the larger versions of these drawers back in the day for my first vanity tour video. I'm going to link that video up here in the card area. So at the very top are where I like to store all of my hair products, any hair serums, hair oils. The next drawer are where I like to keep all of the face masks, under eye gel depuffing masks, cotton rounds. The third drawer are where I like to store all of my lotions, self-tanning lotions. And the very last drawer are for all of my hot tools, curling iron, irons, curling wands, and flat iron. Hello Kitty trash can, which I've had for years. Beside that is a container where I keep all of my fluffy hair turbans, which are mostly from the Daiso Japan store. So keep this portable lighted makeup mirror, which is excellent for travel. I did a whole review on it. Hot tools that just wouldn't fit into the drawer. I also have this Divergent box, which is filled with backup brushes that are already clean. The clear stackable shelf is also from the container store. Here I just placed 2 other containers which hold more makeup that I need to test out. Behind that are 2 makeup bags. The first one is a marble brush bag, which I picked up from TJmaxx. The next one is the Walgreens times It's Judy Time makeup bag, which I absolutely love. Store the rest of my makeup in these 2 Alex drawers from IKEA. It's pretty messy right now, that's why I didn't include it in this video, but if you guys are interested in seeing an updated Alex storage video, please make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up or comment down below. This is where I just store the rest of my makeup. The vanity table area is where I keep the items that I'm currently testing out or my everyday items, and I just kind of switch it out from there. One of my favorite things about this vanity area are the firefly lights. These lights just create the most romantic, warm ambiance, and I love the way how it looks, especially when all of the lights are off in the room. It makes everything so cozy. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here on the screen. Click on those before you guys head out. Thank you, love, so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.